Okay, this one's going to sound almost too simple, and that's exactly the point. This might genuinely be the laziest way to build real wealth, and I mean that in a good way. No trading, no timing the market, no checking your phone every 5 minutes. Let's do the actual math right now. Quick note before we dive in. Some links below are affiliate links, meaning I may earn a small commission if you sign up at no extra cost to you. Here's the idea. Instead of trying to pick winning stocks or time when to buy and sell, which even professionals get wrong constantly, you do the opposite. You buy a small piece of the entire market, all at once, automatically, every single month, and then you just don't touch it. That's it. That's the whole strategy. Let's make this real. Say you set up an automatic monthly investment of $200 into an index fund, something like a Vanguard S&P 500 fund. Just as an example of the type of fund we're talking about. $200 once a month set up on autopilot. No extra work after that. Ever. Now let's do the math on 30 years of that. Based on long-term historical stock market averages, which is not a guarantee of future results. That $200 a month could grow to somewhere between $244,000 and $452,000 after 30 years, depending on which historical average you use. Let that sink in for a second. You would have personally put in about $72,000 total over those 30 years. The rest, potentially 3 to 5 times that amount, comes from something you did absolutely nothing extra for. Time and compound growth, doing the work for you. Now, I have to be honest with you here, because that's the whole point of this channel. This isn't guaranteed. Markets go up and down, sometimes down a lot for a while. Past performance doesn't guarantee what happens next. This is based on long-term historical averages, not a promise. But here's what actually is well supported by the data. People who try to time the market, buying and selling based on gut feelings or headlines, consistently tend to do worse than people who just leave it alone. The laziness here isn't an accident, it's the strategy. Doing less, consistently, for a long time, tends to beat doing more, inconsistently. Think about it like this. Someone who tries to time the market, checks prices constantly, sells in a panic when things drop, and buys back in once it feels safe again, which is usually after most of the recovery already happened. Someone doing the boring automatic version never makes any of those decisions at all. Good or bad, they're simply not playing the guessing game. Removing the guessing is the actual advantage. So, how do you actually do this? Open a brokerage account if you don't have one yet. See the link in the description for a suggestion. Set up an automatic recurring transfer monthly into a broad market index fund. Then, and this is the hard part, even though it sounds easy, you leave it alone. Don't check it daily. Don't panic sell when the news is scary. Set it and let 30 years do what 30 years does. That's it. Your retirement just got a lot better. That's the laziest and honestly one of the most reliable ways to build real wealth over time. Not a guarantee, not a get-rich-quick trick, just time, consistency, and getting out of your own way. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments. Please like and subscribe for the next videos. See you in the next one.